Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing good. Today I'll show you how to make perfumes a very simple way. Like suppose you are like some flowers, some fruity or some woody fragrance, but you want to make it, you don't get it in the market of your choice. So I'll teach you or I'll guide you the fragrance whichever you like. You can make it by simply sitting at your home only. So today I'm collecting some fragrance by my own. Like suppose you can say this is white rose I have with me, white rose. And second thing is like this is sandalwood. And the third thing is this is lime and basil. So these three together, actually four, lime and basil is there. This is mixed with lime and basil, and this is sandalwood, and this is white rose. So I'm making a perfume. Let's see how it will. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just adding some white rose on a bottle. It's a 30 ml bottle, so I am adding like 3 ml of white rose in a bottle. The second thing is that I am adding some sandalwood. This is Mysore sandal, so like you can say 3 ml I'm adding it. So and then the final touch is this is lime and basil. This is for citrus only. So done. So total it will be like 10 ml of oils, and the remaining 30 ml 10 ml is oils, and the remaining is 20 ml or 20 ml will be alcohol and fixture. This is galaxolide fixture. So this we add to fix it, like the fragrance whichever we are applying, it will fix it with our cloth or our body, so the fragrance will stay more. For that purpose only we are using this galaxolide. Galaxolide will be like I'm adding, the more you will add, the more the lasting you will get. So I'm not adding that much because this is 30 ml bottle, so I'm adding like 3 ml only, 3 to 5 ml. I can say 5 ml. 5 ml will be good. So done. I am not measuring it, I am giving it by my idea only. So this is done. So I will shake it now. I'll shake it because all this fragrance will be mixed together, then only you will get a good fragrance. So now let's shake it, this oil. Yeah, you can see this is oil only, oil and galaxolide. I'm shaking it for good result. Let's see how it works. So I can see it will be okay for now. So the last thing I need to add is alcohol. I have alcohol also with me. That is denatured ethanol alcohol. Please don't use any other alcohol. Use galaxolide. This is denatured ethanol alcohol. This is non-consumable. Now I'm going to add this one with the remaining of the bottle. Like this much it is left. You can say like I have already put it like 10 ml, more than 10 ml. The remaining I will put alcohol only. This is denatured ethanol alcohol. This is for external use only. This is a chemical form of alcohol. So mostly all the perfumes, they are using this alcohol only for vapor. It will vaporize in air only whenever you are spraying it. So before it is touching your skin, it will vaporize, or if it is touching your skin also, but then also it will vaporize. It will go away from your skin within 1 minute, within 30 to 1 minute. So I'm going to apply this one now. I'm going to add this one now. Wow, the fragrance is amazing. You can see this. If you want to make it little stronger, then put little less alcohol, or if you want to make it like fragrance should last more, or you want like little hard fragrance, so add little less alcohol. If you want means more light version of perfume, then you need to add more alcohol. That's it. Let's see. I hope it's done only. How does it smell? Let's check it. So I'm shaking it again because you need to mix with alcohol also, whatever I have put it over in bottle. Let's see how it is. I hope it will be good only. Chalo, I'm going to spray now. This is my first spray. The rose fragrance is little bit more I'm getting, and sandalwood is also coming, but the citrus and lime and basil, that are coming little later. So if you want to make it little more lime and basil, means you can add again also, no problem. But for me it's okay. Little bit citrus is okay for me. Floral and woody are good for me. Wow, this is very nice one. Hope you enjoy the video. So if you want any type of ingredients, means like you need for making making a perfume, you want a bottle, alcohol, or fixture, or any type of fragrance, you can contact me. Or if you want to do some customized perfume by me, you can just call me, or you can ping me. I can make it for you. Thank you for watching. Actually my video was completed, but then someone at that time came to me, so I want to see the live reaction of that perfume which I have created now, which I made. So I just applied on him, see the real reaction of his, how he was reacting. Check it, guys. So friends, I'm just trying it live near to you, the fragrance. Can you go like this fragrance too?
ভাল লাগিছে মোৰ আপোনালোকে নিজে বনাই নেকি?
Hi, as a live example, I'm just checking it how the fragrance is. So it's very good, he's saying.